Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up a wireless Bluetooth speaker here. This one says it's splash proof. Now, I don't know if that's waterproof or not, but it says splash proof. We'll open it and show you how to use it, okay? Let's unbox this. It says wireless Bluetooth connection and included carry loop. All right. Cut the tape. Oh, there's 3. There. And there. All right, I think we got it now. See if we can get it open. No instructions. Oh, instructions are right here on the side. Okay. There's your speaker. Look at that. Woo! Instructions are all taped in here. All right. There's your charging cable. Right here is a little plug on the back. This opens. Plugs in right there. Goes into your USB port on your computer or your charging port on your cell phone type charger. We'll get the instructions out. Have to go charge it here and see how long it takes it and all. Here's your instructions. Art+Sound it's called. All right. Ding, 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 ding. Do not submerge in water. Device is not a toy. Charging. Charge it for the first time. Says, red light will turn on while charging. Turn off when fully charged. The speaker is low on power. A tone will be heard indicating that it needs to be recharged. Okay, well, let's charge this little guy up and we'll show you how to use it, okay? All right, we're going to do some charging on this now. Here's your speaker. Open your port back here. USB-C right here. Plugs in right up there like this. Be sure you get it in the right direction. You don't want to force it in the wrong way, okay? See how it's plugged in right there? Now, if we go right here, we're going to plug into our USB port on our PC right here. I'll show you. See the little red light come on right there? That means it's charging. So when that red light goes off, then it's through all charge. It says for the first time it'll take you about 3 hours for your first charge. That'll get a full charge. And it said its playtime is 2 hours. That's what it says on the box. Now I haven't tried it yet, so I'm going to assume they're telling us the truth, okay? So you can watch this thing charge. Just set it down and see if it'll stand up right there. All right, look at there, it stands up. So it's charging. When it gets through, the red light will go off. We'll be ready to play it. Okay, to pair this, on and off switch right here on the front. Hold that down for a few seconds. Looking to pair right now, so it's going to be called ARBT488 when you pair it to your phone, okay? So we'll pair it up, show you how it works. All right, we're ready to pair it up. Let's turn the speaker on. Hear that? It's looking to pair. And go, oops, there. Connections, Bluetooth, and it's looking for ARBT488 right there. Pair it. Says it's paired. Right there, connected for calls and audio, 80% battery remaining. All right. I think we can turn on the Bluetooth and our MP3 player here and see what we can find. Now these are ones that came with the phone, so they'll probably be okay. We can switch to the next one right here. There you have it. Now this particular song is not very loud, so that's why it's rather low here, okay? Alright, there's your sound. We've got it paired up. We'll set it up and start using it some. Okay, now there's not a volume control here on the speaker or a switch to next song or back song. All it has here is the power button and a pause play button. Now when you're ready to charge it, right here on the back there's a little port covered up right there. USB-C plugs in here. Yeah, plugs right in there. There it is. This plugs into your USB port on your PC or one of your phone chargers. And didn't say how long it took to charge it. It says the red light comes on when it's charging. The red light will turn off when it's done. So there's your charging. Close that little port back up. Like that. There it is. Now it says it is not waterproof. You can't drop it in the water, but it's splash proof. So if you splash something on it from your shower or whatever, it'll still work. Alright, now when you're ready to turn off the speaker, your power button's right here on the top again. Hold it for just a couple seconds. And it's off. There you have it. Nice little speaker. Go check out the links in the description below and we'll show you where to find some of these, okay? I want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. You got a lot more of these. Go check out the playlist. Leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. Also check out the description below. I have links to Amazon where you can find a lot of these. Okay? Thanks for watching and see you next time.